Security agencies are probing if the explosion that took place inside a Santro car in Jammu and Kashmir's Banihal on Saturday was a dry run for an attack similar to the terror attack that took place in Pulwama in February. Now, the attack is being seen as a security lapse by officials. The driver of the car has been identified as Owais Hameen, a Hizbul terrorist from South Kashmir's Shopian. Eyewitnesses say that he was seen jumping out of the burning Santro and running towards a nearby settlement. Well, let's go across to Neeta Sharma for more details. And Neeta, so another security lapse here being investigated, and also whether this could have been a dry run for perhaps a bigger attack.
Yes, Gargi, this is the deepest, fear of the security agencies. They are saying that it could be a dry run for yet another Pulwama type of attack. But the latest that we are hearing in this case, Gargi, is Owais Hameen has been picked up by the army, and the army is interrogating him, quizzing him, because the area where he had left the car and he had jumped out of the car, as you were also mentioning, that was cordoned off, and it's that very area that he has been, apprehended. He is in custody of our security agencies who are grilling him. Apart from that, as far as lapses are concerned, it is another serious lapse, because last when Pulwama had taken place, on February 14th, after that SOP was laid down. In fact, the Union Home Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh, was very categorical. He said that whenever a convoy movement is going to take place, no civilian traffic is going to ply on the road. But this time we saw when the convoy was moving, this Santro car managed to reach the convoy and hit the rear end of one of the bus. Though, no one was injured or hurt, but it could have been a serious incident yet again. And I also spoke to the Director General of Police, Mr. Dilbag Singh, early morning. He confirmed to us, the component which has been used to trigger off the blast. It includes 2 LPG cylinder. One is big cylinder, another is a small cylinder. Apart from that, a jerry can of petrol, gelatin sticks, urea and sulfur were also, the traces of all these components were taken off from the car. They are saying these are all the components which are used to trigger off an IED normally when a blast takes place. NIA, which is investigating the Pulwama attack, yesterday visited the site, and Jammu and Kashmir police is also assisting them on the probe. Gargi?